So I'm going to go to the file for M100. So as you can see, I have darks, flats and lights. The only reason I have flats is I've got some dust on my lens, which I didn't know at the time, so I've had to take some flats so it can be eliminated. But I will show you the process if you don't take flats. Anyway, so for instance, I have 100 photos here of M100. They are all 60-second exposures. So we've selected the file anyway here. Go down to script and we're going to process without flats. This is usually what I do. I can process normally, but it would require bias frames, which I really can't be bothered to do. So we're just going to do without flats. So I'm going to tell this to do what it do, which shouldn't normally take too long. It really does depend on what computer you've got. I know I've got a 2080 core processor, so it does be pretty quick. And we are done. So if we go back to the file, we have the result. I'm going to drag that in, and here we go. So I'm going to go down to here, auto stretch. So we've got a nice little green haze, but we can see it right there. So, oh, pressing buttons. So first of all, we're going to go to here. Let's turn off that. Let's select part of the screen. Increase the intensity, and we're going to stretch just a bit, about halfway, or should I say a quarter of the way. We're going to apply that. I'm going to turn the green off. I'm going to pull over the red, apply, then we're going to turn the red off, pull over the blue, apply, reselect all. Let's pick another part of the sky. I'm going to stretch this. I don't like going past this line in the middle. It's a bit too light for my liking. Right, let's select the center of the galaxy. This just brings our blacks back. There we go. The green's a bit much, so I like that. Let's stretch a little bit more. Let's get the center. It's a lot of just plain trial and error. But you see where we're going with this. Little bits at a time. I want it darker. So we want it to bring it out, but we don't want to overexpose. Let's go back. Oh, to what we originally had. So let's try this section of sky. Ooh. Right, it's a bit of overexposure. There we go. That's nice. Apply, select that section. Go back a little bit. There we go. So that's not too bad. Now if I select this bit, and we end up with something like that. This is just in Siril. Oh, and as you can see right here, that's the dust. As I said, this has not got the flats in, but this is my usual processing. At this point, for instance, I'm happy with this. If I wanted, I will send that into Photoshop and do some other bits and bobs. I do also have GIMP, which I don't really use, but I don't mind this, personally. So to finish, we're going to click on this button here, give it a name. So what are we on, 100. Oh, pressing. Then we're going to change the file type to, we'll go to JPEG, because why not? Then I can share it straight away with whoever. Otherwise I'd probably go with a TIFF file, but we'll go JPEG at the moment. This is just going to be the straight raw. So this image is without the svbony SV270 filter, and this is what I picked up from a Bortle 7/8 Sky here in the UK. I'm in the Midlands, so it's not the best place for observing, but this is what I got. 60-second exposures, 100 of them.